Hey, it's James Nicholson, and I've just bumped into Sanjay Gandhi. He's got an estate agent, and he came on to my course a few months ago, and he's got something really interesting that he wants to share with us. So, thanks, Sanjay. How you going?
Not bad, James. A bit late in the day after a long day today, but just wanted to catch up with you and say thanks a lot for all your efforts. You know, when I came to see you in at Gatwick at Christmas, spent 3 days with James and taught us all about Facebook advertising. And one of the biggest issues that we had as a business was generating more leads, especially to get us through the front door and look at, the properties for our clients, especially, letting them know what the valuations of their properties were. A lot of our clients have got quite a lot of equity in their properties, and we just wanted them to realise what they actually had in their properties, what it was worth. And just to prove, what's been going off, James, just in the last 7 days, even as late as tonight at 11:20, in the last 7 days, we've had at least about 200 leads. And as a result of this is normally probably 6 months worth of work that you've helped us to generate within a 7-day period. And the best part of it is the acquisition cost is mental. We're down to about £1.10 now. Obviously, we want that to come down a little bit more if you can, but delighted with that. But these leads, potentially each lead here could be worth around £2,000 per lead for us. So
That's
really
going to be a game changer for you in the next few months.
Absolutely. But what that allows us to do is, I want to spend more money in terms of getting more return on investment, and we just want to smash it. I've actually taken on a couple of members of staff in order to keep up with what's happening. All I can say is, for £1,500 investment on your course, it's been a no-brainer.
Yeah. Cool.
So
thanks,
thanks
mate.
very
Good
much.
to see you again. Good to see you.
Cheers.